What kind of sound does N make?
N.
What is this one?
H.
What kind of sound does H make?
It makes, I don't know.
H. Like horse, honey. You say.
Like helicopter.
Perfect. What is this one?
D.
D. What kind of sound does it make?
D. D.
Very good. What is this one?
C.
And do you remember what kind of sound it makes?
Yes.
No. C for Courtney and Cameron and Callie.
I see Daddy.
Mm-hmm.
Cameron and Callie.
Cameron and Callie and Courtney.
Right.
What?
I see. That's a T.
And what does it make? Very good. What about? Do you remember this one? This is a hard one.
That's a hard Y.
It's a Y. Do you remember what kind of sound it makes? Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
All right. Do you remember what this one is?
I do it.
Huh?
T.
Z.
D.
What kind of sound does Z make?
I don't know. I do it, Mommy.
Like buzz.
Like bumblebee. I do it, Mommy.
Okay, Colin. What
I
about
see is
this one?
bumblebee.
What's this one?
P.
What's P make?
Purple, Mom.
Very good.
I do purple.
I know you like the purple one, Callie. What
I
is
like blue.
this one?
Oh,
R. What kind of sound does R make?
I don't know. Oh.
What is this one? What letter is it?
I don't know.
Yeah, you do. Look at it. What is it? Hey, what kind of letter is this? What letter is this?
T.
Mm-mm.
S.
Mm-hmm.
That's an
And
S.
what kind of sound does it make? Perfect.
Like snake.
Perfect. What's this one?
F.
And what sound does it make? Perfect. You're so good at these. Do you remember this one?
That's a W.
No. Try again.
That's a U.
No. V.
V.
And what sound does it make? V. Like very.
Yeah, with V.
Okay.